Wind and sea mixed thoughts in my brain. Never know if love will remain.
With the show dog's house, they was watching your TV raps. Was the hats on the cracks?
What's up everyone? Happy Saturday, happy weekend. Thank you for joining me today. I'm here with my cousin D'Angelo.
7-Eleven.
And right now we're on our way to Huntington Park. Grab something to eat, something for the hangover. I have a real mad hangover, guys. Like, seriously.
I'm never drinking again. That's nice.
It's just pounding in my head. So I hope you guys enjoy the show, whatever I'm gonna do. Just have fun, be safe. This is how we do it. All right, guys, let's get it.
Left my nigga's house paid. Picked up a girlfriend trying to fuck. She didn't hesitate to call.
So let me put my mask on. I forgot about my mask. Let's go, brother. All right. Look at some of this stuff there. Alrighty then. Look at 2 large pizzas. Oh yeah. Hello. Hello.
¿Vienes a recoger o ordenar?
Ordenar.
Brian!
2. Oh yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Can I get 2 large pepperoni pizzas, please? Like I said. Oh, that's it. Like I said, guys. How much?
15?
15.
Your name?
Manuel.
Okay, like 15 minutes?
All right. Yeah, let's go. No problem. No rush. Is it possible to use the restroom?
There you go.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
My pizza never hurt nobody.
Come again, sir?
Brian, órale, por favor. ¿Este es nuevo? Mija. Ahorita. ¿Este es nuevo?
So guys, that's the number.
¿Carne nueva?
So like I said, if you're local, tourist, visiting Los Angeles, come check this place out in the beautiful city of Huntington Park. Oh yeah, that machine took my money a little while ago. Yeah, it did. Hopefully we hit it big on this lottery ticket. Miras, dos 400 million.
¿De cuál?
Número 1.
¿Uno?
Sí, el número 1. Sí, 2, por favor.
El último y el primero.
Vale. Gracias.
Gracias.
Que tenga un buen día. So right now we're just waiting for the pizza, but yeah, I'm telling you.
Ah, shit, I accidentally opened your beer.
Oh yeah? Check it out, guys. I'm telling you, this pizza is good. This is the best pizza. I think it's the best pizza. Like, Hello. How's it going? Manuel? Manuel? Two large pepperonis. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Oh, dang, almost dropped it. Whoa. Oh, shit. Yeah, dude, I almost dropped it. This will be like a failure. Alright, guys. Check out this pizza place. I'll show you guys the pizza after.